In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your Canvas course from scratch. When you get your shell, it's going to be empty. So you're going to come to your dashboard in Canvas. You're going to scroll down because it will be unpublished. You're going to look for it in the unpublished courses section. In this case, I'm going to use the course creation example, just a dummy course that I've made for this video. When you log into the course, this is what you're going to see. Essentially nothing. The very first thing you need to do is get a home page. Now, in many cases, your home page has been sent to you by your instructional coach or your instructional leader. To access it, all you have to do is go to your account, go to shared content, and it should have been shared with you. Now, in this case, I'm going to use the home page that was shared with me at the very top. I'm going to come over to Actions, and I'm going to click Import. I'm an administrator for Canvas for our campus, so I have access to all the courses, but you'll be able to access this simply from a drop-down menu. So now that I've located the course that I want, I'm going to click on it and simply click the Import button. Once I get the message that it has been started successfully, I'm going to close. Now, I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Now you'll notice that when you log in to the course, it has the import package all here that includes our SLHS Canvas homepage. But what we want to do is we want to come over to this left menu and we want to click the button that says Pages in blue. This is going to give us all of our pages from this. Now, it's already been set as front page, but what we want to do is you can change and make any page your home page. All you have to do is go to Pages, All Pages, and then click the three dots at the end you want and use as front page. Now, yours should already be started as front page. That's what we want. Now, we're going to go home. Now you see it's got our module here, and we don't want the module. Instead, we want our home page to actually be the landing page. So we're going to come over here to where it says Choose Home Page, and we're going to change it from Course Modules to Pages Front Page, and click Save. Now when you log in to your home, and when students log in, they will see your home page. This is the very first thing you need to do. The next thing is we need to adjust a couple of our settings. So on this blue links, we're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and the very bottom one is Settings. Now from there, the first thing we can do is choose an image. So we want to choose an image for our course. I'm going to go to Choose Image, and I'm going to upload one from my computer really quick. And now I have an image. I'm just grabbed the one I used for my AP Human Geography class. And then I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to click Update Course Details. Now what that did is it gave my course an image on the dashboard. So now if I go to the dashboard and I go back down to that class, you will see instead of just a blue background, it now has my image that I included in there. Much more colorful, nicer for students to look at, and also it identifies your course as being different from the other ones on the student's dashboard. So the next thing I'm going to do is show you how to adjust all these blue links in the navigation panel. So again, we're going to scroll all the way down and we're going to click on Settings. In this case though, we're going to go over to the tab that says Navigation. We're going to click on it. Now this is going to give you everything that Canvas basically offers as a link. Many of these you're not going to need. For example, I'm not a math teacher. I'm not going to be using Delta Math. So all you do is you grab it and you drag it down to the bottom. So any of these that you don't think you're going to use, for example, big blue button, anything that you're not going to use in your course, you can drag down. But on the other side, I actually do use Flip in my classroom to have my kids record videos, so I want to drag that up. You can also drag these and put them in any order you'd like. If you would like to have, modules at the very top, because you use modules a lot, drag it all the way to the top. So you can adjust the order as well. Anything that you do not want students to see is going to be dragged down here to the drag items here to hide them from students. The most important thing is once you have them all drugged to the correct places and you have them in the correct order you'd like, you got to come down and click the Save button. Once you do that, it will adjust your panel. So as you can see, I moved modules from lower down up to the top because that's how I organize my course. Now, what you'll see is next to it on your end is you'll see a little eye with a line through it. That means that there just simply isn't any content in there for students to see yet. As soon as there is content, you actually create a module and you put work in there for students, the little eye will go up here, meaning that students will not see this because there's no content there. Once you put content in, the students will see it. And then finally, once you have your home page set up, you have your navigation panel set up, you've added a picture, and you're ready to go, the most important step you can take next is click that publish button. Otherwise, no one can see all the great work you've done. I hope this helps.